Hello everyone, welcome to Educators Plus, and in today's short video we will be discussing about workshops and webinar. So basically workshop is we can say it is even smaller than the seminar, and here the discussion is more intense and it is more practical in nature, and in this participant not only listens but participates in a practical way, and it is organized to provide and improve skills. Talking about webinar, so webinar is a form of the seminar which takes place over the internet, and in this presentation is done in audio and video component. Participants sitting at one end of the world can attend the seminar, and it is very economical and very less arrangement need to be done. Further, the good internet connection is the only requirement in this form of a seminar, and we are seeing a lot of seminar taking place on the web due to coronavirus pandemic, right? So yes, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please do like, share and comment, and stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Thank you.